Now murder charges for the man who turned himself into police following the death of a Bellaire police officer. And just hours ago, a judge revealed more about the case against Dante Moore. It has been 24 hours since we first showed you the images of Moore surrendering to police. But when the judge called his name today, he wasn't there. I'm Sarah Donchi.
And I'm Keith Garvin. Moore is charged with the murder of Officer Marco Zarate, who police say died while chasing him on Tuesday. Channel 2's Robert Arnold is live in Bellaire with what the judge said in court today. Robert.
What came out in court this afternoon was that when Dante Moore surrendered to Bellaire police, he was also cooperative with investigators. According to prosecutors, Moore admitted he was the man behind the wheel of the car Officer Marco Zarate was chasing.
Mr. Dante Moore.
When the judge called his name, 27-year-old Dante Moore was absent. He was in the county jail's medical clinic being examined for an undisclosed issue.
He has been accused of murder.
Nonetheless, prosecutors moved forward with outlining their case against Moore. Chiefly, a prosecutor told the judge Moore was forthcoming when questioned by detectives about the day Bellaire police officer Marco Zarate died in a motorcycle crash.
He confessed to the homicide investigator that he was the suspected driver of the vehicle that fled from the complainant.
Moore and his passenger, believed to be his brother, were stopped by Zarate because they were suspected of shoplifting at the Target in Meyerland Plaza. Before the officer had a chance to radio for help, police say Moore took off into a crowded neighborhood.
He stated he was traveling at speeds close to 80 miles per hour through the residential neighborhood.
As Zarate was chasing the pair, prosecutors said he lost control of his motorcycle and hit the back of a landscaping trailer. The husband and father of 3 died a short time later at the hospital. A judge ordered Moore held without bond, in part because he has a lengthy criminal record. And we're going to go into greater detail about that criminal record coming up at 6 o'clock. Meantime, community activist Quanell X says he has been in contact with Moore's brother and he's trying to convince him to surrender. Prosecutors say they're not sure yet what charges he may face since he wasn't the driver. We also spoke with Moore's mother over the phone, and she told us she's been crying all day, she's hurting, and just couldn't talk about her sons. Reporting live from Bellaire, Robert Arnold, KPRC, Channel 2 News.